Good morning, my dear respected students. This is a topic, and hopefully, we also called it as that. This one is the last topic which is related with a CSV. Here, some new functions we are supposed to elaborate. Before that, as discussed earlier, we are doing binary, we are doing CSV, we are doing many more functions. But here it is with CSV. Now we are supposed to discuss that dictionary writer function and dictionary reader function. And hopefully, when I'm just naming these functions, that is dictionary writer or dictionary reader, one thing is clear that sir, reader is used for reading the content and writer is used for writing the content within a dictionary, and that's supposed to be stored in a file that is to be called as a CSV. यार एक बार CSV की फुल फॉर्म बताना क्या होती है? कॉमा सेपरेटेड वैल्यूज. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. चलिए जी, देखिएगा. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, यू ऑल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू काइंडली कंसंट्रेट हियर. My dear respected students, now today we are supposed to create one dictionary with the help of Python, and then we are supposed to impose some criteria on that particular file. Question says, question says a CSV file std.csv has structure. My dear respected students, before this particular question, we are discussing the concept of lists. हम लिस्ट की अभी तक बात कर रहे थे. Now we are talking about the structure. Here it is, rule number is to be considered as a key, and this one is to be considered as a value. So it means, and these curly brackets representing that now we are talking about the concept, and that particular concept is to be called as a dictionary. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, now the question says, first point, write a user defined function, okay, that is a create std. आपने एक यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन क्रिएट करना है. नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन इज क्रिएट std to input data for a record and create a file std.csv. आपने जो फाइल क्रिएट करनी है मेरे बच्चों, वो फाइल आपने क्रिएट करनी है. द नेम ऑफ द फाइल इज std.csv. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों ने, अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो हम यूज करेंगे, अभी तक हम लोग यूज कर रहे थे फंक्शन. कौन कौन सा कर रहे थे यार? हम लोड कर रहे थे, हम डंप कर रहे थे, और कौन सा कर रहे थे? रीडर फंक्शन कर रहे थे और राइटर कर रहे थे. Now we are using a function which is to be called as a dictionary writer. I think so that I'm just going to elaborate this point first, and then we are supposed to begin to a second one. My dear respected students, now the question says, kindly consider here, as similar what we have discussed in our previous lectures belongs to a CSV. We are supposed to import a file that is a CSV. In spite of using a list, now this time we are supposed to create one empty dictionary. My dear respected students, here I am supposed to create one dictionary, and as per the demand of the question, we are supposed to create a function, user defined function, that is called as a create std. And where what we are going to do now, remember, as earlier we have discussed, first of all we are going to open that file, okay. After that, what we are going to do, we are supposed to create the object of that particular with the help of a reader or writer function, and then we are entered in an infinite loop. Then with the help of a write row, we are supposed to write the data with the help of write row or write rows as per the demand. Now, first of all, here it says obj1 is equal to open std.csv w stands for write. New line is equal to empty string. It says that within a file we don't have any kind of string, empty string we don't require. Now, here it is. What we are going to do here, we use one variable or we use a list that is to be called as a field, and we are supposed to store the heading of our content, that is a roll number, that is a name, and that is a marks. After that, what we are going to do, it's very important to understand, my dear respected students, in spite of writing CSV dot writer, we are supposed to write this time that dictionary writer. Why so? Because we are not supposed to store a list. This time we are supposed to store a dictionary. Remember this thing. When we are supposed to store the data within a dictionary, we are supposed to use the function that is to be called as a dictionary writer. After that, it says obj1, that is the object where we use it for opening our file, that is a std.csv. And after that, here it is, one more argument is there, which is to be called as a field names, not name, field names is equal to field, this particular representing this list, which says, first of all, I am just going to write that particular header with the help of this particular function, which is to be called as a writer dot write header. And whenever we call that function, they simply write the heading which is stored in a field, that is a roll number, that is a name, and that is a marks. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को यहां तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई? अभी तक हुआ क्या? प्लीज एक बार रिकैप जल्दी से. मैंने फंक्शन डिक्लेयर किया. आई एम जस्ट डिक्लेयरिंग अ फंक्शन दैट इज अ क्रिएट एसटीडी. ओके सर, डन. सेकंड स्टेप, we are supposed to open that particular file std.csv in a write mode. न्यू लाइन हमने इसलिए लिया क्योंकि अगर मैं न्यू लाइन यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं करूंगा तो हमने प्रीवियस अपने लेक्चर्स में चेक किया है कि वहां पे होता क्या है कि वो एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग दे देता है. उस एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग को रिमूव करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे न्यू लाइन इज इक्वल टू एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग कर दिया कि वो उसको इलिमिनेट कर दे, ना दिखा. After that, because we need a header, what we are going to do, we mentioned fields is equal to roll number, name, and marks. And for writing the content of dictionary, this time, in spite of using a writer or reader function, what we are using, we use a dictionary writer with the arguments, that is obj1, which is used for writing the data within a file, and field names is equal to field, means the fields which we have, we want to be right on the first row. And what happened next, we are supposed to mention writer dot write header. याद रखिएगा, header को लिखने के लिए मैंने लिखा writer dot write header. हमारा हो गया, इतना काम हो गया. अभी तक हमारे पास क्या आ गया? In our file we having a header, that is roll number, name, and marks. After that, again same concept. What we are going to do, we are supposed to use the infinite loop again. After that, we required roll number, name, and marks. But this time, what we are going to do, my dear respected students, the same content which we received in R number, name, and marks is supposed to be stored as a key value concept. Because dictionary representing the concept of key with a value. That's why we mentioned student within a single quote roll number. This is a key, and the value which is being stored in a R number is to be considered as a value. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? मैंने जो पहला डाटा एंटर किया वो इनके अंदर की वैल्यू कॉन्सेप्ट के अंदर स्टोर हो गया. सर अब लिखेंगे कैसे? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दैट पर्टिकुलर डाटा within a file? Again we are using a same function that is to be called as a write row, and this time the student representing not a list, this is a dictionary. And my dear respected students, for stopping that particular infinite loop, we ask the user that you want to continue, you want to add more data or not. If in spite of typing y and y, if they type something other than this, they are going to terminate that function with the help of a break, and this obj1.close enforced to write that content, flush that content into a file. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात यहां तक समझ आ गई? What we are going to do here, my dear respected students, I'm just going to make this active, make this function active. I'm not going to use the read now. uh, Comment section. Okay, it means only one function is active now, that is a create std. What we are going to do, dear students, F5, hit the enter key. Whenever we are going to hit the enter key, my dear respected students, it says one name, for example, Aman V. No, not, I'm not going to insert that. Okay, Gagan, 100 marks. Okay, yes. To Mandeep, okay, here it is 45. Yes, after that there is 3. I am going to mention, here it is a Sahil, for example, 67. Okay, one more. We required 4, that is Nitin, 88. And after that, last one we required, that is 5. We mentioned it as Vijay. Vijay is 98, for example. After that, I'm just going to press the N alphabet and enter the hit the enter key. What happened now? The content is going to be written in our file. मेरे file के अंदर हो गया, sir. Okay. So now what happened? It's my humble request. Now consider second function that is used for reading only. I'm just going to terminate this particular with the help of a command, that is hash symbol. Now read. Sir, again, what we are doing in a read function, read, opening a file, in which mode? That is a R, that is a read. Okay, but in spite of writing a reader function, what we are going to mention here, CSV dot dictionary reader, and after that we are supposed to apply one loop for I in reader and display the content of I. My dear respected students, kindly consider here, I'm just going to open this function for reading purpose, and I'm just going to hit the F5 key and hit the enter, and hopefully here it is, the content is displayed in the form of dictionary. किस फॉर्म में नजर आया बेटा आपको? डिक्शनरी. और ये देख लीजिए, हर एक चीज आपको ये डबल जो सिंगल कोट है उसके अंदर नजर आ रही है. आई थिंक सो दिस इज टू बी कंसीडर एज अ स्ट्रिंग ओनली. ये स्ट्रिंग कंसीडर कर रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर इन अ सिंगल कोट. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? यहां तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई. इसका मतलब हमारे पास दो चीजें हो गई. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन अ डिक्शनरी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डिक्शनरी राइटर फंक्शन. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द कंटेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डिक्शनरी रीडर फंक्शन. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? इट्स क्लियर नाउ. ओके, नाउ we are going to discuss the second part of our question. It says write a function display in which function we are going to write, that is a display. Okay, what happened now? This says in Python to display the details of all student whose marks is between 50 and 80. Okay, जिसके marks आपको 50 और 80 के बीच में नजर आए, and this is to be happened with the help of the function which is to be called as a डिक्शनरी रीडर. मतलब जिनके मार्क्स 50 से लेके 80 के बीच में हो वो आपको कंटेंट नजर आ जाए, बाकी कंटेंट आपको नजर ना आए. ओके, my dear respected students, what we are going to do here, I am just going to open that particular function here. Kindly concentrate how we are going to read. This is the function. Display the name of the function. I'm just going to open that particular CSV file in a read mode. And what happened now? Again, we are using a CSV.dictionary reader, obj1, that is an object which is used for opening that particular file, that is std.csv. And with the help of loop, they are going to read the content one by one. And this says if I single quote. क्यों मैंने यहां पे जो आपको दिखाया कि this is in the form of string. क्यों ये सिंगल कोट्स में लिखा जा रहा है? क्योंकि ये क्या है बेटा? स्ट्रिंग है. मैं लिखा इफ आई सिंगल कोट्स मार्क्स ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू सिंगल कोट 40, क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया कि वहां पे जो कंटेंट है दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. तो अगर मैं इसको यहां से स्ट्रिंग्स को हटा देता हूं, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अगर इसको यहां से हटा के एक चीज आपको चेक करवाऊं, तो मैं इन दोनों में से यहां से हटा रहा हूं. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिमूविंग दैट कंटेंट. मैंने इसको रिमूव किया. आप सोचेंगे कि सर ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, तो मैंने जब इसको किया, आई एम गोइंग टू हिट द F5 की. ओके, they are going to display. I'm just going to open that particular function. I'm just going to close that function. Okay, it's happened. Now we are going to open that particular function, and what we are going to do, press the F5. जैसे ही मैंने किया, वो क्या कहता है, not supported between instance of string and instant. वो string और int के बीच में, string और int के बीच में क्या कर रहा है, उसको ट्रबल आ रही है, not supported content दिखा रहा है. कहता ओके, कहता what we are going to do here now, we are just going to make that particular a string. कहता हम इसको स्ट्रिंग बना देते हैं. कहता ओके, इट्स हैपन. मैंने यहाँ पे सिंगल कोट डाला मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, और हमने यहाँ पे आके भी सिंगल कोट डाला, और डालने के बाद अब जैसी कवलजीत सर ने इस फंक्शन को रन किया, F5 हिट किया और देखा, तो क्या होगा, आप प्लीज यहाँ पे कंटेंट देखिए. जो ऊपर कंटेंट नजर आ रहा है, जो हमने क्राइटेरिया लगाया उसमें 100, 45, 67, 88, 98, और जो मुझे कंटेंट नजर आ रहा है, दैट इज फॉर ओनली 2 स्टूडेंट्स which lies in between 40 to 80. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई. अच्छा, एक चीज और, अगर अब यहाँ पे मेरे पास जो कंस्ट्रेंट है, मैं चाहता हूँ रोल नंबर हो, तो ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे किया, या मैं कहता हूँ नेम हो, तो ये देखिए मैंने नेम का भी यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया मेंशन किया हुआ है. आप इसको कमेंट में ले जाइए, सेकंड वाला ओपन कर दीजिए. अभी मैंने यहाँ पे आके नेम अमनवीर सिंह की जगह मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिया MANDEEP. होपफुली मेरे को लगता है कि मनदीप था शायद कोई, है ना. हमने F5 प्रेस किया और एंटर हिट किया, और जैसे ही मैंने देखा तो वो नाम जो है मनदीप, वो आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, एक बार थोड़ा सा मुझे गाइड कर दीजिए, किसी तरीके की कोई समस्या? वेरी गुड.